Hi everyone. So I just did a little grocery here. I'm in the town on Campbell River, and my plan was, it still is, to go in the backcountry, spend a couple days there. The weather today is really cloudy, but tomorrow's supposed to be nicer. But it's currently like almost 12 and the sun's going down in 4 hours. It's just because my editing this morning took me a little bit more time than I thought. So now I still have to do a couple little things that I forgot on my video that I have to go back. I need to put some gas and all this. So yeah, I don't know how much we're gonna enjoy the rest of the day. The sun's going down way too fast, but yeah, we're gonna still go in the backcountry. Alright, okay, that's what I had to add on this one. Alright, good to go now. Alright. If you guys been following me for a little bit, you know that I love when the weather is cloudy, foggy. It's just so beautiful, especially in the backcountry when like things reveal and like, yeah. That's gonna be a spot for today. Little far, beautiful lake. It's so quiet. We have a beautiful muddy van. My floors are wet because I walk on it. Gotta dry that. So my first plan was obviously to make a campfire, and because I buy some wood and all this and enjoy a fire, but it took me way too much time to get everything prepared this morning with my video editing, a little issue that I had with the video that I had to go back, grocery, gas, firewood, all those stuff, plus driving here. It's like 3 o'clock and the sun's gonna go down in 1 hour, and I don't have the best camera when it's dark, like to film and all this, so I think I'm gonna just relax. You know, making a campfire, cooking on a campfire, it's great. I love it. And I think I'm going to do that tomorrow. But, yeah, it just takes a lot of time and, you know, get everything with the food and everything. And, yeah, by the time everything's going to be done, it's going to be dark. And I think I just want to relax and enjoy this beautiful spot. So, I think I'm going to make something. I'm going to cook something inside and just enjoy a quiet evening in the wood. I think that sounds very good. I don't know what to make. I bought a bunch of stuff at the grocery, but I didn't really talk about anything else. So I do have those plant-based sausage that kind of appeal to me. I bought some hummus that also appeal to me. I have some mushroom, I have some tortilla, and I also have red bell pepper in the fridge. But I kind of don't know what to do with it. What we can make. So I had some friend who gave me those pasta. So I think we're gonna go pasta tonight. It's been such a long time. So this is how we're gonna do that. I only have one burner, so my pasta are almost cooked. I just put enough water to cover the pasta. In fact, I'm gonna put the broccoli on top, put the lid. They're gonna steam a little bit, put that on the side, cook my mushroom and the sausage that I cut, and after that we're gonna assemble together. I know, like, people from Italy just always telling me, I mean, this is not how we cook pasta. This is how I cook it, okay? Okay, this is how I do it. It's good. And the reason why I don't cook the sausage and all the veggies first and cook the pasta after, it's because I'm gonna snack the whole time. It's pretty much gonna be nothing. I know myself. So now the vegetable, the sausage are pretty good. I'm gonna put the pasta back with a little bit of water left. Cook that for another minute or so. And for sauce, we're going to use the hummus, which is roasted garlic. It's going to make a creamy sauce. So good. And I put way too much pasta again. I always try to not go crazy, but love it. think we're good for the hamster. Oh, this look awesome. Come on, it looks like I'm like a chef, and I already took a couple of bites. It's so good. So good. It's been a while since I ate pasta, so I'm always always love it. And yes, I ate the whole thing. Look, I don't know why the previous person who was here left some roses for me. Aww. Thank you. Beautiful. With all that food, they go for a walk. This is why I don't eat pasta very often, because I just make a big bowl of it and I just like I love it. See those little bugs? They try to hide for the winter, baby. I'm surprised with the amount of, I guess they don't like fall down, those leaves. It's so green. It's everywhere. Maybe it's a species that stay green all year long. Because I'm sure they had some snow here, or close to have some snow. We're quite high in elevation. I think it's going to be a chilly night tonight. So I'm surprised that we have green leaves here. And I think this lake is the Campbell River Lake. I'm not quite sure, but I think this is on the dam, this one. And there's a bunch of other places to camp all along that dirt road that we did. But this one, I'm by myself. Oh no. Look the amount of bugs. Where'd they come from? Get out. Ah, I don't want to bring that in the van now. I don't want to get out. Get out. Oh, what's going on with the bugs? Whew. Those bugs were everywhere. Start the heater. Feels so nice to just relax. Something about relaxing in the wood that is just like beyond anything else. You don't hear anything. Right now it's super calm. When it's windy, you don't want to be in the backcountry, but when it's really calm, it's great. And it always make for a good night of sleep. Always sleep very, very well in the backcountry. A lot of people wonder if I'm stressed or if we are worried. No, because everyone that I meet on the road, when you pass them, they always wave at you, always friendly. Anyone that I saw, they were having some problem with their car, with their vehicle in the backcountry, is always like a bunch of people who want to help them. So I don't say there is no crazy people, but I never met them. And I think I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty, who's pretty much purring.